Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're a breastfeeding mom or supporting someone on their breastfeeding journey, you know it's a rewarding yet challenging experience. In this video, we'll discuss some of the most common breastfeeding challenges and practical tips to overcome them. Whether you're dealing with low milk supply, latching issues, or discomfort, I hope you'll find this video helpful and reassuring. Remember, you're not alone on this journey, and every step forward is a win for you and your baby. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video if you find these tips helpful and subscribe to the channel for more parenting and health advice. And if you've faced any breastfeeding challenges, share your experience in the comments below. It might help another mom. One of the most common concerns for breastfeeding moms is low milk supply. Nurse frequently and on demand. Breastfeeding works on a supply and demand principle. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and consider lactation-friendly foods like oats and fenugreek. What's your favorite food or drink for boosting milk supply? Share it in the comments below. Poor latching can make breastfeeding painful and reduce milk transfer. Work with a lactation consultant to find the best positions for you and your baby. The football hold and cradle hold are popular choices for better latching. Have you tried different breastfeeding positions? Let us know which work best for you. Sore nipples are a common issue, especially in the early days of breastfeeding. Use a lanolin-based nipple cream and let your nipples air dry after feeding. Check your baby's latch, as an improper latch often causes pain. If you found a product that helped with nipple pain, drop your recommendation in the comments. Engorgement happens when breasts become overly full, causing discomfort. Nurse frequently. Use warm compresses before feeding and express milk to relieve pressure if needed. Have you dealt with engorgement? Share your tips for relief below. Mastitis is a painful breast infection that can cause fever and flu-like symptoms. Continue breastfeeding to keep milk flowing. Use warm compresses and consult a doctor if symptoms persist. If you've experienced mastitis, how did you manage it? Let us know in the comments. Leaking milk can be inconvenient and embarrassing for some moms. Use breast pads to absorb leaks, and try nursing or pumping before your breasts become too full. What's your go-to solution for managing leaks? Drop a comment below. Some moms feel anxious or uncomfortable breastfeeding in public. Use a nursing cover or wear breastfeeding-friendly clothing. Practice at home to build confidence. Do you have tips for breastfeeding in public? Share your advice with other moms below. Cluster feeding can be exhausting, especially during growth spurts. Stay hydrated, snack often, and remind yourself that cluster feeding is temporary and helps boost milk supply. If you've been through cluster feeding, what kept you going? Share your experience below. Frequent night feedings can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling drained. Consider safe co-sleeping arrangements or set up a comfortable feeding space nearby to make night feedings easier. How do you manage night feedings? Share your tips in the comments. Deciding when and how to wean can be emotional and challenging. Gradually reduce feedings, replacing them with bottle feeding or solids as appropriate. Listen to your baby's cues and your own feelings. If you've gone through weaning, how did you navigate the process? Let us know below. Breastfeeding is a unique journey, and every mom faces different challenges. The important thing is to seek support, stay patient, and trust your instincts. You're doing an amazing job. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another mom who might benefit from these tips. Remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community here to support you. Got questions or additional tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.